So this is the first waterfall which I got in this walk, and it seems very small, and I could not find any good composition. I could not find any good composition for this one, so I move on and go to the next fall. Okay, so this is the fall, another second fall on the line, and this is a very harsh light. I don't think so the fall will make any good composition. There is no very harsh light, there is no background behind it, there is no colors behind it. All is probably black and white photo can work out, but I'm not interested in taking any black and white photos. I'll go for the next one. Okay, this is the first fall which is photo worthy, large and big, and it sounds good to me. I will try both composition, colored and black and white. There is no color here, but I will take the color photo and I'll also go for it. Now other waterfall, next waterfall, again it is a big one, but problem is that same problem as the older one. First of all, harsh light, no color left, everything is drawn, fallen, only black and white makes sense here. But I will take this photo again and see if it turns out very well. So there is one more waterfall, and there is no, sunlight, everything. So I can have a good chance of getting at least one good photo. So that will be that waterfall up there. This will be my last photo. I have to again drive for almost 3 hours, and tomorrow at the office. So I'm done for the photography today, but I'm a little bit disappointed. The colors could not pop out properly. Fall almost gone, just a little bit color is there, and probably after that I will not go for next fall. There are a lot of falls are here, but I'm not going to go on the fall because colors are muted. Here is my waterfall photography for this fall is completed. I might not come back here until there's some good reason, or maybe I'm coming for the macro photography. Otherwise, I will not come here, and that is it. So here's the picture, and this will be the last picture, and I'll move back to home, and I will end my video here.